Hi guys, this is Dr. Charan here. Big Ben. It is a multi-brand watch showroom which is located in Indranagar, CMH Road, Metro Pillar number 82. And today I am privileged to host a fantastic event that Big Ben has successfully completed 62 years of their service and stepped in 63rd year of anniversary. So I'm privileged to host this event today. The models have cooperated well and we have got a few of the guests who are celebrity guests as well. So I wish all the best to Big Ben to continue their services further, and also I'm very happy to host this fantastic event, and once again all the best for the entire Big Ben team and have a wonderful day.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಶೋರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಚಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಟೈಟನ್, ಕಾಜಲ್, ಕ್ಯಾಸಿಯೋ, ಟೋಮಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಟಿಸಾಟ್, ಈ ರೀತಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಇದು.